Happy day 4, guys, and I hope you're still feeling strong and maybe just a little bit sore. 5 minutes on the clock. 3, 2, 1. Side plank on the left forearm. Bring it on down to start. All right, right into it. By the way, I have a special treat for you tomorrow on day 5, so get excited. Side plank hold, we dip. Give me 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. High plank. One hand then the other. Good, strong core here. Side plank, other side. I'm going to turn my back side to you. Scissor, stack your feet, raise your arm up, hold. Good, dip. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, high plank. Good. One more time on the left forearm, drop it down. Raise your top arm up. Again, we dip. 5, 4, total of 10 dips. 3, 2, it's hard for me too. 1, high plank, one hand, other hand, push. Good, firm it up, other side, lower. Flip, dip. 5, 4, 3, high plank, come on, in 2, 1, big flip, push, push. Good, lower all the way down. All right, take your fingertips to your temples, lift chest and legs, up, 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 up. Good. 5, 4, fly. 3, 2, one more time, up and hold. 3, 2, high plank, ready, set. Firm your legs, push. Good. Flip it. Lay onto your backs. Nice work, guys. From here, raise your feet up into the air. Place your hands behind your head. Crunch up. Open your legs. Reach forward. Down, together. It's up, reach, together, down. Up, reach, together, down. Give me 8. Up, down. Good. 7, reach, together, down. 6, reach, together, down. 5, reach, together, down. Good. 4, reach, together, down. 3, big reach. When you reach, your shoulder blades come, guess what? Up higher. Last 2, I think I may have miscounted it. I'm sorry if you're doing an extra one. Here we go. Crunch, open, down, down. Now flex those feet, pull them apart. Reach and pulse. 8, 7, good. 6, 5, 4, come on. 3, 2, 1. Exhale, legs together. Big rock up. Good job. Flip it on over. Forearms down, butt in the air. Dolphin. So you're going to bring your chest forward. Push back. It's called a dolphin push-up. Forward, back. 8, 7. Come on, guys. You're over halfway through. We just have a very short time left. And again, if this did not challenge you today, repeat it. Or remember, I have a whole core series on here, another 31-day series, another 7-day series, and mini series of just 5 to 10 minutes. Give me 3. Another miscount, 2, and 1. Don't worry, we can't miscount tomorrow until you find out what it is. High plank, top of that push-up. Hold it for me right here. All right, firm your legs a lot. You're going to pull your knee to your chest, reach out, drop your hip, pull it back. Reach out, drop your hip, pull it back. Reach out, drop your hip, pull it back. So my opposite hand is touching, guess what? My opposite foot. Nice. Reach and drop. Reach and drop. 2 more each side. So that's 4. Good. Last 2. And 1. High plank. Back down to your belly. Fingertips to your temples. Ready? Lift. 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 8. 7, 6, keep going. 5, 4, that's it. 3, 2 reps. Hold it up. 3, 2, here we go. Firm, press, strong plank. Big flip for me, okay? Legs up, legs apart, pulse. 4, 3, 2, 1. Good, bring those legs in. Wanted you to finish here on your back so you could hug your knees to your chest for a nice stretch. Beautiful work, guys. Tomorrow's day 5. Special treat planned for you. I'll see you then.